So you'll hear in this video me talking about how this year's gone so smoothly and that I've had no injuries or anything like that, and that was an absolute massive jinx, because a few days, probably 4 or 5 days after the video that I filmed the video, I've been off for 2 weeks basically with a bad back, and it was my first day back yesterday, so huge jinx, but I hope you enjoy the video. Right, hi guys, so we are halfway through the year, and this is just a little snapshot of how my year's going basically. So I haven't done one of these videos, it seems, in a while, and by the time this goes out it should be quite quickly, so it should be in a week or two of filming this video, so it'll be a current video. As I say, it's a little snapshot, so I'm going to talk about customers gained, customers lost, what hours I'm kind of working at the moment, because hopefully, like all you guys, I'm absolutely flat out. It's not ideal, and I'll get into that in a little while. So yeah, if you're new here, I run a gardening business, one-man band, sole trader. So hello if you're a first-time watcher. So yeah, so it is absolutely flat out. So we're just off the back of that crazy heat we've had. It was I think 30, it would be about 30, 31 here in the northeast of England. Crazy weather. So I was basically just probably like you guys, I was trying to get out as early as I can, but I do work around nursery pickups and drop-offs, so I couldn't get out at like 7:30, 8 o'clock. I think 1 or 2 days I got out at 8, or 8:15, something like that. Just try and finish as early as possible. Just lawns, so no stupid jobs. I did have a hedge and I split it up into chunks, so I was trying to get finished by like 12:30, 1 o'clock, because it's obviously too hot, just it was unbearable really. So yeah, so that's kind of off the back of that. Right, so before I go on any further, I just want to get this in there, that I am offering basically a one-to-one help with setting up your own business, and if you're new, just helping the overall kind of running of the business. And it's basically, it's not mentoring or training, it's a way to pass on my experience. You can pick my brains, you can ask us virtually anything you like. We'll have an informal chat, video call or phone call. I've done quite a few of these now, and they've been really popular, and they have genuinely helped people. That's all I'm saying. My website's below, have a good look, everything's on there. And yeah, it's not for everyone, but it may well be for you, so yeah, do check that out. So yeah, so how's the year going? So I'll take you back a little bit to kind of when we started in spring. So I'll start my grass cuts. I try to start them as early as possible in March. Obviously weather dependent, you want to try and get maybe that week's worth of money in the the lawn cuts like as early as possible, so you have a pretty decent March till I think I'm sure it was the first or second week in March I started cutting this year, so it was pretty early. And yeah, just flat out straight away. For me, I don't know about you guys, but it's when the hedges start to take off in maybe mid to late April. That really kind of puts pressure on your schedule, and I look after 2 or 3 hedges that need doing really once a month, but I can only really get them every 6 weeks or so, and like they're on a ladder and it's a big chunk of time. So I didn't really want to do it, but what I tend to do with those is do them on a Saturday morning, because obviously if you've got a full diary during the week, now 95% of my jobs are fortnightly, grass cuts or maintenance, they're set, so I don't have much time for other things outside that. And this year I've took on well, I'll get to that in a sec, because I have taken on a couple of customers, but really the only one-off work I do is for my current customers. So one-off work for outsiders, if you like, for want of a better phrase, I've just been flat out refusing, just haven't got the time. For those who don't know, I've got 2 young kids, 2 under 4s, so obviously I do need to be around. But these hedges, as I say, I've been doing them on a Saturday morning, because you wake up semi-fresh and you've got the day if needs be. Now they probably take 2 or 3 hours, but if you're trying to like cut a big hedge at the end of the day during the week, you're not getting. As I say, I do nursery pickups and drop-offs, so my hours are roughly 8:30 to 9 in the morning till about 2:30, 2:45, where I pick the kids up, and by that point I'm done in, to be quite honest with you. Occasionally I do work a bit longer, and I can call on my mum to, you know, pick the kids up if needs be. But as I say, it's hard work. Like, I'm done by I'm physically done by that time, knowing I'm going to be working probably Saturday morning as well. Now I'm going to have this Saturday off, so I'm going to have a 2-day weekend, which seems a real treat. When I started this garden business, I said I didn't want to work weekends, naively. Now it's my choice, obviously. I don't have to take on these hedges. I've been doing them for a little while, a couple of them from the beginning, but I didn't have to take on as much. I could have left bigger gaps during the week to do the hedges, but it's hard to turn money down. It's hard to turn decent jobs down. Now this leads us on a little bit to customers that I've taken on this year. I have lost, I think, 2 from last year. They moved out. I think they both went into care homes. So I did them for a little short while until they got sold, and then obviously I didn't have to do them anymore. I've taken on 5 new ones. To be honest with you, didn't really have the space. Had space for 1 or 2, but the other 3, one of them was a long-term customer that I did, like, I'd maybe visit the garden 5 times in the year. It was always like the hedge, a couple of bushes, and I'd always had my eye on the grass. It was a nice little lawn, £25 a cut, not big, obviously edges trimmed, more blow and go. I don't like that phrase, but yeah, that's what it was. So I'd always had my eye on that, and so when she said, look, will you do the lawn, I was like, yeah, fine. One I've just taken on last week, and I said to her, I says, my partner will kill us for taking on extra work. She was really nice. It was a recommendation opposite to a one I already do on my street. Perfect garden. It was through the garage, but we've sorted keys out. That's not an issue. How can you turn them down? I was kind of chatting to her, and I said, look, you'll hear back from us today either way. But it was quite long. She'd been let down by a previous gardener. She said he was new. He kind of forgot to do it. I don't know, you forget. So yeah, she'd been let down. She was happy with my price, 25 quid a cut. Take us probably about 20-25 minutes to do it. Nice and easy, as I say. So I said, yeah, the first cut would be £40 because it was a bit longer. She was happy, lovely customer. So yeah, I took it on. I'm really trying to squeeze it in. It's no good, really. But yeah, that's the reality of it. Now, I was saying to her, I always like to stretch myself, because you will lose gardens. You know, unfortunately, people will die. We probably have an older customer base, really, than a lot of trades. People will go into care homes. People will move out. You know, that does happen. And a couple of years ago, I got 6 or 7 of them all in one, kind of over the course of, like, I think a winter and spring. So I always like to stretch myself, knowing you're going to lose a few. And you know, that job ticked all the boxes, and how can you turn them down? Someone else is going to come along and snap it up. You know, I want it to be me. Do you know what I mean? Yes, it's been quite a steady year in terms of kind of no surprises or no shocks. You know, touch wood, hopefully I haven't jinxed it, but my gear has been relatively okay. The drive belt slipped the other day, so there's someone down the road like fixes lawnmowers and stuff, so I took it to him. It was an easy fix, so it's been kind of, I think that was the only thing. No crazy stories to tell you about customers. So yeah, so touch wood, it's been okay, and obviously as we go into the autumn, I'll be thinking about winter. I'll be kind of putting the feelers out there. I'll have the regular winter work that I've had for the previous sort of 4 or 5 years coming again, I imagine. I might pick up 1 or 2 bits along the way, but I'm not I don't like to push myself through winter. That's the time where you do need to have a bit of a rest, because I am feeling it, like probably all of us are. My knee's kind of stiff. Last few days I've been feeling my hip a little bit. It's kind of par for the course, and I can't remember who keeps saying it, but you always tell us to get a massage. Now I am definitely going to in the next couple of weeks, because I genuinely think I will benefit from it. So I'm going to take your advice finally. I think you've been saying this for the last couple of years. So I'll end it there, guys. If you're new, subscribe. Thanks for watching as ever. See you in the next one. Cheers.